Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet bat subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublai fi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Haba kentho halor kejinglap jong katnat enforcement directorate halor ke kamti duyong bean hakajela unoyalam kaliang persya jong ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Dr. Mukul Sangma ulat heteng da kebaong bahkan ni kakam nom ja klem jing ke jinya don ketilang ki hain ke sorkar kata ki politician bat ki officer. Ula ong ha kajinsya halor ke kamti duyong be ain la de banshim kam wood da kebaap hadu bandadon ki bawon ra ya kejin ujor. Henry la de ban pentri kam da kaan keba de lepa kaan keba batai halor kejintip kebayo tengkereng lani da kejin sunguthu. Ula ongru balada katnat idi katip kumno ki pulit kimla bantip halor kane kakam. Ula ongru babun sin ula ujor halor kane kakam da kabatho shiti sha chief secretary bat kumjuru ula ra ru ya kane hakakam ying dorbar Henry omsyam ladon ba shimkyak kam bat kane kapau syai ba dei namar badon kejinya don ketilang ki officer bat kabor sorkar. Laban kedau ba dangshan katnat idi kalapen pau ha kajinlap jongki ya kajinti bi anyu duyang ha kajela bat kila kentho ru ba kadon kajinlum pisa be an na kawei ka trok kabasyong dor hadu silak san hajar hadu silak arpo hajar hakis sitrok ban ailat leg penhap ya uduyang sya asam bat sya pha pat keleng ki jaka.
The responsibility of Government of India. Please understand that the coal is listed in the schedule. It is not a state subject. It is a Government of India subject. So therefore, any illegal coal mining activities, Government of India also has to take cognizance of. How many wreck loading have taken place from Dutnai, from Jogigopa? These records are available. These records are available with the railway. So these are the evidence which can be leveraged upon by all the authorities to go after this whole cartel. Now if we go by the press release of the ED has indicated that there is a huge collection of money per truck. That means this itself substantiate the stand of all of us who have been so with utmost sense of sincerity and commitment trying to draw the attention of the government to act upon illegalities. And in absence of this response and keeping in mind the frequent denials, I think media has always confronted the people in authority, including the Chief Minister. What is the response? The response is always on a denial mode. So, denial mode on such scale of illegality. Therefore, I have reasons to believe that all these illegalities of this scale cannot happen unless there is a patronage by the people in authority.